With your smartphone, you can create flyer pictures like this type like this type like this type like this. In fact, any flyer pictures you want to create, you can use your smartphone and do it. Let me show you how you are going to do this for free. Let me show you how you are going to design any flyer pictures for yourself, for your business, for anybody, for birthday, anything you want to create. Let me show you how you are going to do it using your smartphone in less than 1 minute. Let's get started. So for us to be able to create that type of images, we need to use two apps. And the first app we are going to use, just go to your Google Play Store or your Apple Store and you go and search for the name of the app. Now, this is my Google Play Store. This is the AI tool. It is called Claude AI. As you can see, this one here, you are seeing here. If you have not downloaded it on your phone, go and download it. Now, after you download it, all you just need to do is just click on open and you open the app. You can still go to your go back to your Google Play Store again and you search for the name of the second app so that you are going to download it. It is called Google Flow. This is the name of the AI tool. This is the AI tool here. You can also download it on your phone and you click on open and you open it also. Now let's start by using the first app. The first app here, which is the Google Flow, which is the Claude AI. The first one we download. So if you have not downloaded this app on your phone, you download it on your phone and you register. So after you register, the first thing you have to do, it will bring you to an interface like this. This is where you are going to describe the type of image you want. All we want is just to use this AI to get our professional prompt we are going to use to create our image. Now, this is what I will do. Let me just put my video prompt here, my image prompt. Let's say art like a professional. So let me just write it. Now I've write it. Now this is what I write to it. I say art as a prompt. I say art as my prompt engineer and write a detailed prompt to get a better result and create a premium Nigeria food flyer in a expert Nupe flavor TV kitchen branding style, clean white background with a font food. So you just write your image idea. This is you telling the AI your pictures, like how you want it. Just give it how you want your image. Just write everything in detail. So just tell him to give you a prompt, and after you write everything just the way I write my own right now, the next thing you are going to do is to click on this mark that says generate here, and after you click on it, in less than some minutes, it's going to give you the perfect prompt you want. Now as you can see, it's reading the front-end detail and skills, so it's writing everything out for me right now. As you can see, engineer prompt. So this is the perfect prompt. As you can see, this is the perfect prompt to get my result. So you guys are seeing the prompt. It's writing everything for me, writing everything out for me. Now this is the prompt. I can just copy everything here like this from beginning. Now this is the prompt. I can just copy here. As you can see, create a Nigeria premium food style. So I can just copy everything down. I will copy everything. Now are you guys seeing it? Make sure you pay attention very well. You copy everything. Now after I copy, the next thing I'm going to do is to head over to the second AI tool we download, that is the Flow. So if you have not signed up on Flow before, it will bring you to an interface like this and it will say we are working on expanding Flow available. Please check back later. Just click on sign out. Then it will ask you to, maybe it will tell you that it's not available in your country or something like that. Just click on create with new Flow and it will ask you to log in with your Gmail account. So just log in with your Gmail account. If you have Gmail account, you just log in with one of your Gmail account. You click on continue. Now it will open like this. After it open like this, if you have not registered before, it will open like this. This is just a new account. Then you click on new here. Now when you click on new project, it's going to open like this. You are going to see where you say image here. You tap on this image. So you are going to set it in Nano Banana Pro. As you can see, your result, you can set it on 2. Now your aspect ratio, you can set it on 9.16 or 16.9. So I'm going to leave my own on 9.16. Then after that, I'm going to paste that prompt. I just copy right now. I'm going to paste everything here and I'll click on generate. Now as you can see, it's generating the image for us. Because I choose 2 results, we are getting 2 different type of results, and just in less than some minutes, it's going to generate the image for us, and I'm going to show you how it look. Now you guys can see this is our result. This is type of result we get. As you can see, the two results. So anyone would like here, we can just click on it like this one. We can decide to even turn it to video. Anyone would like here, we can click on it and we can download it. So as you can see, download up here, you can just click on download and download it to your phone. As you can see, just tap on it and you're going to see download below here, and you click on download and it's going to be downloaded to your phone. You can also tap the second or the first one and you click on download and it will also be downloaded to your phone. So this is how you are going to do it. Now you can go back to Claude AI, that is the first AI and the app, the first app again, and you write another video idea again, sorry, another image idea, any idea you have in mind again. Like let me write something. Maybe if I want to use my image, I will say art like. Now I just write a new idea again. I just write a new idea. Now as you can see, this is the idea I write right now. So act as my prompt engineer and optimize this prompt. Create a cinematic luxurious restaurant flyer, the expert nupe flavored TV kitchen, fast food advertisement style, dark and red, a blue background, floating spike, all these things. I just write how I want it. How I just describe how I want the image to be, and after that I'll click on generate, and in less than for some minutes it's going to generate the prompt. Write me the prompt, and I'm going to upload my image to the Flow AI, Google Flow AI, and create my image. Now as you can see, this is the prompt here. Cinematic luxurious Nigeria fast food restaurant advertisement poster, nupe flavor TV kitchen, brand poster. As you can see, everything here. So I just need to copy it like this from beginning again, just like we did before. Let's copy it like this. Now after we copy, we click on copied, then we go back to the AI tool, that is this AI tool we used before. Then we click on this plus icon and we are going to see image here. As you can see, image. Now we can use our image. I'll click on agree. Now I can use my image. It will take me to my phone gallery, so I can use any of my image, now. For example, let me use this image here. This image you guys are seeing, let me use this image. I'm uploading the image right now. As you can see, uploading the image, and after I upload the image, I can just paste the prompt together with the image and it will give me perfect result. Now let's give it some minutes so that it's going to upload the image. Now the image has uploaded. I'll just paste the prompt here. After pasting the prompt, the next thing I will click on generate. So now as you can see, it's generating the two image for us. So if you can use it for any of your flyer you want to design. Just follow this method. Just write how you want your flyer to be. Write it on Claude AI, and the AI is going to prompt it for you. Write you a perfect prompt you can use to generate your flyer. So if you want to generate flyer, birthday pictures, anything you want to generate, just go to the AI tool and you write it to the AI tool how you want it, and it's going to generate it for you. Now let's wait for this result. Now as you can see, this is the result here. Now as you can see, this is the result without changing my face. As you can see, this is the result without changing my face. I can also save it to my phone. It's looking boring because it has not complete, but this is the result. As you can see, the result, everything without changing my face, everything. So this is how you are going to do it. Now you have seen everything, how you are going to create different type of flyer pictures. So don't forget to like, comment, and also share this video so that more people are going to benefit from this video. And if you have not subscribed, subscribe so that you'll be getting latest videos like this. See you guys on our next video.